Did you know that over 70% of people feel unfulfilled in their lives? Crazy, right? It makes you wonder, what's holding us back from achieving our dreams? Are you one of those people? Well, stick around because today, we're diving into some powerful tips that might just change your life. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about the law of attraction, a concept that has the potential to help you manifest your dreams and find that inner peace we all crave. If you've ever felt lost or uncertain about how to get what you want, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, so let's get real for a second. Many of us face challenges when trying to achieve our dreams. Self-doubt is a big one. You know that voice in your head that tells you, you can't do this. Or you're not good enough? Yeah, that's a major roadblock. Then, there's negative thinking. It's so easy to fall into that trap where you focus on what's going wrong instead of what could go right. And let's not forget about the overwhelming amount of information out there. It can feel like you're drowning in advice and strategies that don't seem to work. But guess what? You're not alone. Everyone faces these struggles, but the good news is that we can overcome them by harnessing the law of attraction. Exploration/development. So, how do we effectively use the law of attraction to manifest our desires? Here are 5 actionable tips that you can start implementing today. First up, visualization. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your dream life in vivid detail. Picture yourself achieving your goals, and feel the emotions that come with it. This helps align your energy with what you want. Next, we have positive affirmations. Create a list of statements that reflect your goals and repeat them daily. This helps shift your mindset from doubt to confidence. The third tip is gratitude. Start each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance, which is crucial for attracting more positivity into your life. Fourth, take inspired action. The law of attraction isn't just about thinking positively, you also need to take steps toward your goals. Trust your intuition and act on those nudges you get. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. Spend time with people who uplift you and support your dreams. Their energy will help you stay motivated and focused. Climax/key moment. Now, let me share a powerful story that really illustrates how the law of attraction can transform lives. A friend of mine, let's call her Sarah, was feeling stuck in her job. She always dreamed of being an artist but doubted whether she could make it happen. One day, she decided to start visualizing her dream life as a successful artist. She created a vision board filled with inspiring images and quotes. Every morning, she would spend time visualizing herself in art galleries, selling her pieces. Not long after, she started sharing her artwork on social media, and to her surprise, she gained a following. People started reaching out, wanting to buy her work. It wasn't easy, and she faced challenges along the way, but she took inspired action and surrounded herself with positive, like-minded individuals. Fast forward a year, and she's now a full-time artist, living her dream. This just shows the incredible power of belief in action when combined with the law of attraction. Conclusion/summary. So, to recap, we've covered 5 tips to help you manifest your dreams using the law of attraction: visualization, positive affirmations, gratitude, taking inspired action, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Remember, maintaining a positive mindset is key to attracting what you truly want. It's all about aligning your thoughts and actions with your dreams. Call to action, CTA. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried using the law of attraction in your life? What's worked for you? Drop your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my next video where we'll dive deeper into other techniques to help you create the life of your dreams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.